Woke up this morning, code is on my mind. Unity's calling, it's that time to shine. UI Toolkit ready, let's make it come alive. ListView's looking sharp, now it's time to thrive. Unity UI Toolkit, ListView. Let's make it happen, let's see it through. Click, scroll, select, and shine. Every line of code is just divine. UXML in hand, the layout so fine. USS for style, if everything aligns. Containers on the left, and details on the right, and details on the rims. What a beautiful sight. Unity UI Toolkit, ListView. Let's make it happen, let's see it through. Click, scroll, select, and shine. Every line of code is just as fine. Panels and labels I'm building with glee. Making games, it's where I wanna be. A click of a button, a touch of the screen. UI Toolkit's magic, it's a coder's dream. Characters to pick, details to show. Dynamic and smooth, watch the magic flow. The list view scrolling, the UI's so bright. In Unity's world, everything's alright. Unity UI Toolkit, ListView. Let's make it happen, let's see it through. Click, scroll, select, and shine. Every line of code is just fine. So here we go, we're building today. Unity's power is here to stay. With UI Toolkit, the future's so bright. In the world of games, we'll reach new heights. Woke up this morning, code is on my mind. Unity's calling, it's that time to shine. UI Toolkit ready, let's make it come alive. List views looking sharp, now it's time to thrive. Unity UI Toolkit, ListView. Let's make it happen, let's see it through. Click, scroll, select, and shine. Every line of code is just divine. UXML in hand, the